Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our morning live trading session. I hope everyone had a lovely night rest. On this session, this is where I analyze the market and then I give out free signal when I get one. Okay. If this is your first time joining us, you're welcome to our live trading session. On this session, as I've said earlier, I analyze the market and I give out free signals. Okay. So there are two things you gain from this session. You gain, because you get to see how I make my analysis. So you gain the experience of making and learning how to analyze the market. Okay, and then you also enjoy signal when I get one, because I always give out signal when I get the signals. Okay. Then aside that, I also have a premium group where you can get signals aside this live stream. Okay, because this live stream is just for an hour. All right. So it will be best if you join the premium group, because that is where you get more signals. Okay, you get better signals, intraday signals, scalping signals. That is where you get them. Okay, and I give at least 3 signals per day on the premium group. To join the premium group, all you have to do is, you see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Just click on the banner. Okay, it will take you to where you can fund your account. Now, when you get to that area where you enter, prices. So enter $10. Okay, that is the minimum you can fund on this live stream to be qualified to join my premium group. All right. If you fund $10, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 2 weeks. All right. And then, as I've said earlier, the benefit you enjoy is signals and market analysis, market reports. All right. And then, if you fund up to $15, you enjoy the same benefit, the same services, but instead of 2 weeks, that is going to get you in the premium group for a month. All right. And if you fund up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. You enjoy the benefit I mentioned earlier, and then you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me, a live private session with me. Okay, one-on-one, me and you alone. All right. So there I can teach you how to become a better trader, teach you how to get better signals. All right. And remember, all the services are free. Okay, because the money you are funding in your account, the money you are funding is going into your trading account. Okay, the money is going into your trading account. So technically, everything is free. So guys, let's do this. Okay, I'm sure most people here have had the saying that you should invest more on knowledge. Okay, because knowledge will bring you wealth, bring you riches. Okay, so that is that. So let's now go into our main activity. The main reason why we are here is to analyze, for me to analyze and then look out for, entries, opportunities you can, take entry on. So let me quickly do that. Let me start analyzing. I've already made some analysis. I had few analysis down already, but let's look for more. Let's look for something, a pair that is going to give us sharp entry and fast money, right? Sharp entry and fast money. Let's go to the lower time frame here. Yeah, this looks beautiful. This looks good. Okay, so and as you can see, this market has been moving to the downside for quite some time. This is the lower time frame. This is the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so the market has been coming down for some times now. So let's see if this would, provide the opportunity to scalp for some times. Okay, so the market did came to this level and then reversed to the downside. So let's mark that area out. Okay, so but I still believe the market will come to this area. I don't know when, but I'm sure it will come to this area and then maybe reverse from here. So because we have another zone at the top,
Even though it doesn't come now, it might still come later because that is what the market does. The market will always look out for areas, where it can take liquidity. So, guys, don't ask me what liquidity is, okay? Because it's a long story and a long topic. So it's not something we can discuss here. That is why I said if you want to have a one-on-one session with me, go and fund your account, fund at least $200. Okay, so that way you have a private, personal session with me. All right. So let's just continue with our thing. Okay. So right now, this is the analysis I've made. So this is what I'm currently seeing on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, the market kind of respected this area, which is fine. Yeah, and I think we were deceived on the 1 minute because I said the market is going to go back to this area. The market might not go there because we already have this retest around there. So that is why it is very good to always check multiple time frames before you do anything. Okay, watch out for multiple time frames before you place any trade. Watch out for multiple time frames. Do not use just one time frame and then you feel you have arrived. I'm telling you, the market might just put you into, might just send you backwards. So may the market never send us backwards. Guys, say amen. All right, so let's continue. Let's continue. And as you can see right now, the market is making its move back into the box again because the market needs to fill this area. Okay, need to cut in through, cut in deep inside um, the zone. So what I'm going to do now is I'll allow this market to, I'll wait for this market. Uh, so I'll wait for the market to see what it wants to do. So hopefully, all right, this is good. Okay. So we also have this zone. Let me just quickly take a second look at this, and if it's a good signal, I just send it to my premium members. Okay. All right. So this looks good. Yeah, it looks good, and the market seems to have cotton deep in here. So, okay, this looks good as I've said. So let's go down to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if this can be a good opportunity. Let's see if we can get a good opportunity to enter the trade here. Okay. Yeah, so something is happening around this area, and I think the market is actually respecting, or it's coming down to, this area where, okay. Okay, so let's go back to a more higher time frame, say 15 minutes. Okay, okay. So this looks good. Uh, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see if this market is gonna get trigger. If this market comes back into this zone, then we're gonna take our sell from there, and then here is gonna be our stop loss, and here is going to be our take profit level. Okay, so a few minutes, the end of this candle. Okay, let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame, and that'll be much more better. Yeah. Okay. Right. So we are still waiting for a confirmation to enter for a sale. Okay, so let's shift this a bit down so that it covers the whole of this area, right? Because if we go down to the 5 minutes time frame, um, let's go back to the 5 minutes. So I think it will be best if, okay, so let's just start it from here because that is where it starts from. All right. So right now we are still waiting for a confirmation here. Confirmation in forex is very important because if you don't have a better confirmation, a good confirmation, and you just jump into the market. Okay, so for example, right now we have multiple areas where the market has rejected from. Okay, areas that are indicating that serves as indication that the market would go down. Okay, so we have all these zones, we have all these areas. You see, we have market rejected around this zone, market rejected around this zone, rejected here, and so that is why we now believe that the market is also going to reject from this area. But where exactly is the market going to reject from? Yeah, so that is where getting a confirmation comes in. Okay, that is where getting a confirmation comes in. So you need to wait for a better confirmation before you can actually take an entry. Okay, so we are going to be taking entry on the 5 minutes time frame and we're going to be scalping, but we need the market to get in here and then before the market goes our way. Okay, and as you can see, the market is already approaching the zone, right? The market is already approaching the zone. As you can see the market is approaching. So when it gets into this zone, we are going to sell. Okay, we are going to sell AUDCHF when the market gets into that zone. So for the meantime, we still have about 9 minutes to the end of this current candle. Okay, we have about 9 minutes to the end of this current candle. So let's use the 9 minutes to check out other pairs. So we'll go back to AUDCHF very soon. Okay, so AUDJPY. Okay, All right. So we are currently on AUD NZD. Okay. So let's see what's going on AUD NZD. Let's see if there's a good opportunity for us here. Okay, so the spread here is too wide. You see the gap between the red and the green and the blue line. Okay, so that is the spread. The spread is too wide. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. You see how wide it is. You see the spread is about how many pips? See, the spread is too wide here. Oh, I don't like markets with wide spreads. Let's check other pair. Okay, so this is better. All right, this is good. Okay, so now the market is heading to the downside, and I don't see any um, obvious opportunity for now. Okay, right. So let's move on. Let's move on. So if you are scalping the market, I don't see any reason why you have to go above 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's quickly check back on AUDCHF. You see, I told you the market is still approaching the zone, and we have less than 4 minutes. Okay, the market has less than 4 minutes to complete its movement, and so when we get a rejection, uh, we are going to ride it to the downside. So since we have less than uh, 4 minutes, let's just stay here. Okay, so we don't miss the chance. Okay, we have less than 3 minutes. We have less than 3 minutes. Less than 2 minutes, guys. A minute and few seconds more. Okay, so now it's less than a minute to the end of this candle. And once the candle closes, then we know where the market would head to. Okay, because the market would then have a direction if possible. So in few minutes time, we would know if this is a good opportunity to start selling, or if we need to make more confirmations. Okay, so the market didn't get to our entry point, which is fine. We didn't get there, but I still believe that the market would go down. Okay, so we were using the entry point from the lower time frame, but nonetheless, the market can always make moves back into the zone. Okay, the market can always make moves back into the zone. So let's just continue with our analysis. Okay, for now, let's continue. We would always, go back to check and see if the market has started to respect our entry points. Okay, all right, guys. Let's continue to look out for more entry points. Okay, this is very good. Guys, place a buy on Euro CHF. So I'm coming. Let me just quickly. Just a moment, guys. Okay, so buy Euro CHF. Euro CHF buy Euro CHF Euro CHF buy now. So when you buy, use this TP and use this stop loss. Okay. So enter the take profit and the stop loss. Enter the take profit and the stop loss. Let's look for another opportunity. Okay, let's look for another analysis to make. All right. So I believe everyone has entered, the market. So your stop loss and your take profit has been set properly. So and as you can see, we are already making little dollar. Yeah, beautiful move, beautiful move. So guys, we are already making money. I'm telling you. Yes. So we entered the trade from here, and the market is currently around this zone. That's profit. Okay. Okay. So let's move to the next one. We have a trade already, and we are making profit from there. So guys, my advice is when you get a good profit, please don't wait until the market hit take profit. Okay. So when you start making good profit, always remember to secure your profit. All right. Always remember to secure your profit. It's very, very important. Okay? It's very, very important. So please do not forget to secure your profit once you start making a good one. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let me quickly set this. Okay. So our trade is running. All right. Euro USD. I think I made this analysis this morning, and you see the market triggered, and it start to sell to the downside immediately. Okay. So this analysis is from I think it was late last night. I'm not sure. Yeah, but the market hit TP though. Okay. So let's continue making more analysis. Let's continue to make more analysis. See how because so far we've already gotten an entry. We've already taken just an entry. Okay, so all right. So this is the higher time frame. This is so this is the 2 hour time frame. GBP AUD. So let's quickly analyze this together and see if there's going to be like a good opportunity for us to enter the trade. Okay, so now we already know where the market is heading to. Let's now go to um, okay, let's go to the lower time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame though. Let's see if this market. Okay, let's head down to the uh, let's head down to 15 minutes or 30 minutes rather. Okay, good, good, good. So I think the market is currently reacting on this zone, which is good. And if I'm going to take this trade, here will definitely be my entry. My stop loss will be here. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so as we can see right now, okay, so let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if we can get an entry to scalp this to the upside. So here is another quick tip for you guys. When the market is facing down, like when the market is facing down, most especially if I want to scalp on the lower time frame, when I see the market facing down this way, I stay away from the market. Okay, so what I do is, but there are two ways to this actually. There are two ways to this. If the market is facing down this way and you want to scalp, okay, to buy is going to be very hard. The reason is because the market, you have to follow the direction of the market, which means the market to come here and then you continue to sell. But in this case, on the higher time frame, the market is actually a buy. Okay, the market is a buy on the higher time frame. So if we come to 1 hour right now, we can see the market has been buying for some times now. Okay, the market has been buying for some time. So the direction, the trend of this market is a buy. All right, it's a buy. So what we're going to do here is quite different. So since we already have the confirmation that the market is a buy market, it's a buying market, and then I have my analysis on. So what I'll just do is I'll wait for this market to come to the area where it's going to retest, and then I take my trade. Easy peasy, yeah. So this is where I want to enter the market. So if we go to the high 30 minutes time frame now, I believe you can all see this clearly. All right. All right. Okay. So let's go to the lower time frame here. And when the market makes the move to this area, we'll be able to anticipate it. Okay. Because I'm very sure this market will get here before it, continue its move to the upside. So this is GBP AUD, right? I'll keep a lookout on this also. We are in the 15 minutes time frame, and this is going to take a while to get to our entry point. Okay, so let's not just sit around and wait for markets. Let's continue to make more analysis. Okay, okay. So this continued to move to the downside. I made this analysis, but I wasn't able to, catch the sniper movement. Um, so that is it. And the market has been moving down ever since. So let's just continue with, our own analysis here. Okay, so this is GBP CHF. Okay, this is GBP CHF. Okay, this is good. So now let's go to the lower time frame and see if we can scalp this. So let's see if this is scalpable. Okay, let's wait. Let's just have patience and wait for the close of this current candle. Okay. Right. Right. So a minute and few seconds to the end of this current candle. Once we get a confirmation, most likely we're going to take um, another entry here. Yeah. So that's going to be two. you see how the market is already moving, yeah? So we needed to wait for the candle to close. But after the candle closure, you see the market pull down a little bit. Okay. So if we are to enter this trade from here right now, you see our stop loss will be too big. So it's better if we just look out for another entry for this trade. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Okay. So on the 1 minute time frame, we have this zone, and the market has just come down to this level, which is a good thing. I think the next level the market would probably get to is this level. So if the market comes back into this level, then we taking our trade. Okay, we are taking our trade, and then this time around our stop loss is going to be here. Okay, our stop loss is going to be here. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes with this current candle. Okay, beautiful. Guys, go to GBPCHF. GBPCHF. Okay, go to GBPCHF. All right, so it's moving closer. Okay, so let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, okay, guys. Sell GBPCHF. So we sold GBPCHF. I sold from here. Okay. So if this market closes above this level, then we are getting out of the market. Okay, and as you can see, our stop loss is very small, very little. So our stop loss is just 5 pips. Okay, our stop loss is just 5 pips. Okay, and we are making profit already.
Okay, guys, we are making profit. We are making profit here. So let's see how this candle closes. Okay. All right. So guys, we are making profit here. And remember, we have our Telegram question and answer session coming up by 11:30. Okay, so that is why we are not going to stay too long on this live. Okay, we are not going to be staying too long. I just need the market to give us a bit of profit. Then we go out of the market, secure our profit. Okay, because we saw this analysis a bit late. And, okay, we saw this analysis a bit late. So we are making profit, guys. We are making profit. Let me go to the 55 minutes time frame. Okay, so guys, the time is up, and we're not going to be able to hold this trade. So please, everyone, close your entries. Okay, close your entries. Close your entries. It's a scalping signal, and I don't think the market is going to go down for long. All right, the entry points are very small, and if we want to enter it, our entries, our order might not be, sorry, our stop loss and take profit might not be accepted. Okay, and I don't want us to go too far because if the market is going to go against us, I want us to lose just 5 pips. Okay, that's like 0.50 if you are using 0.01. Okay, so guys, that will be all for this morning. Let's close this trade. Okay, we'll definitely get another one um, tomorrow by God grace. So let's close our trade, and it wasn't enough profit, I know, but no worries. All right, no worries. So join me again same time tomorrow. Sorry, I've forgotten tomorrow is weekend. Okay, so that will be on Monday. So guys, enjoy your weekend. Okay, and if you made profit, make sure to withdraw your money. Withdraw part of your money. Don't withdraw everything. Okay, because you're still gonna come back to make more profit. So withdraw part of your profit and go enjoy yourself. Okay, it's a kind of it gives some kind of inspiration, and even make you want to be more serious. All right. So I'll see you all by 11:30 on our Telegram live. Don't forget. Bye for now.